So in second chemical property of ammonia, we are going to learn about catalytic oxidation of ammonia. So in this, ammonia will react with oxygen in presence of platinum. So that's why it is catalytic oxidation. The catalyst what we are using is platinum and it is oxidation. So it is reacting with oxygen. So ammonia is reacting with oxygen in presence of catalyst. So that's why the name of this experiment is catalytic oxidation. So when ammonia is reacting with oxygen in presence of platinum catalyst at 800 degrees centigrade temperature, we will get nitric oxide, water droplets and lot of heat. As we are getting heat at the end of the reaction and while the reaction is proceeding, as a product we are getting heat. That means this is an exothermic reaction in which the heat is evolved. So this is an exothermic reaction. So let us see how we have arranged our apparatus. So in this combustion tube I have attached two tubes over here. From that I am going to pass dry oxygen and dry ammonia. Now in which ratio I am going to pass this to is ammonia is to oxygen will be 1:2. That means the oxygen's amount will be double compared to the ammonia. So while I am passing this two from here, this mixture will pass from combustion tube from above the platinum catalyst. This what I have kept here is platinum catalyst and I am heating this combustion tube from here. So as this two's mixture will pass from that, here what we are getting is nitric oxide and water droplets. As a product we are getting it here. Then it will pass from that and as we are collecting into the flask C, it is going to convert into nitrogen dioxide, because this nitric oxide is again going to react with oxygen and it is going to give us nitrogen dioxide. Earlier it was nitric oxide, but once it is coming into the flask C, we will get a reddish fumes of nitrogen dioxide. So and once we will stop heating, once we will stop the reaction, even after that we can see that the platinum catalyst is glowing. So how? Because of whatever heat is generated from the reaction will give that glow to the platinum. Even after we will discontinue the heating, platinum catalyst will be glowing after the reaction. So in this reaction, this is the chemical equation of this reaction, and in this as a product we are going to get nitric oxide and water. That nitric oxide will come to the flask C and converting into nitrogen dioxide in presence of oxygen. So obviously we need more oxygen compared to ammonia, because first it is going to react with ammonia and then nitric oxide is converting into nitrogen dioxide. So oxygen's amount what we need here is in excess. So this is all about catalytic oxidation of ammonia. In our next segment of chemical properties of ammonia, we are going to learn about reducing nature of ammonia and basic nature of ammonia. So stay tuned and subscribe for more important videos. Keep learning, keep sharing. I'll see you in next video.